In this video, you will learn what HTML is and how it differs from other programming languages. So HTML is the content of your web page. If you have a blog, the HTML is the words and headings of your blog post. It's the paragraphs. It is the actual what on your web page. HTML is not the style. CSS is the style. So as HTML is the what, CSS is the how. And let's take an example look at what I'm talking about. Let's go to CNN.com. Here you can see the web page when it has both HTML and CSS working together, and JavaScript, but mostly CSS and HTML. So I'm using Google DevTools right now. I just right click and I press inspect element. Here you can see all of the HTML and here is all the CSS. So what we're going to do now is see what this web page looks like without any CSS. So we're going to go to the head section. We're going to find the links to the CSS. I'm going to delete them. So here's 1, 2, 3. And here you can see the web page without any CSS. As I said earlier, this HTML is the what of the web page. Here you can see we have links, text, and some images, and it's all very ugly. So let's look back at the HTML. Here you can see it looks like a bunch of gibberish, which by the end of the course you will understand and be able to change on the fly. But right now, I'll cut this down for you. You have an opening tag, then you have a closing tag. See, you have an opening section and a closing section. See, HTML is a markup language that uses tags. These tags are like Tupperware containers that you store different kinds of food in. So one container will have just oatmeal in it and another container will have meat or rice. So in this video, you learned that HTML is the actual content of the web page, such as headings and paragraphs. You also saw that HTML is a markup language and what that actually means. So you have an opening tag and a closing tag that contains some content that displays to the web page. Now in the next video, you will learn more about HTML tags and how to structure them properly.